Tonight we are reading Night Night Dino-Snore, a touch and feel storybook. Now the sun's rays slink low in the sky. Soon in the bright stars will be shining up high. At last, it is bedtime for all dinosaurs. The air will soon echo with loud dino snores. Tyrannosaurus Rex holds on tight to Mom. The sky blushes gold, the breeze quiet and calm. As they head home together, all safe and sound, there's a soft, gentle hush in the air all around. Good night, tiny T-Rex. Sleepy Stegosaurus slow to stop. This spot looks comfy so down. They flop together. They gaze at the sparkling glitzy. They can rest here till the sun starts to rise. Good night, Sleepy Stegosaurus. Soft. Triceratops snuggle. They're ready for bed. Mom plants a kiss on her little one's head. Among the soft leaves of the jungle, they huddle. Bedtime is always the best time to cuddle. Good night, tired Tyrannosaurus Rex. Huh. Interesting. The Duckosaurus like to munch leaves. Now they are settled among the tall trees. The dinos are dozing, curled up on the ground. Dad whispers good night. It's calm all around. Good night, dozing doublets. Dinosaurs rest in the cooling night air. They think the fun they have had everywhere. All through the day, they've been bunking about. When nightfall arrives, they are all turtled out. Good night, resting
Raptors.
High up in the trees with the world spread below. The leaves rustle gently, the sky all glow. 3 tiny parasaurs head to their beds. Under Mom's wing, they are small sleepyheads. Good night, tiny parasaurs. Two Brontosaurus had a long day. It won't be long till Dad's snoring away. Mom curls up cozy and warm in a ball. Soon you'll hear Dad. He snores loudest of all. Good night, bedtime, Brontosaurus. The what? 3 Spinosaurus snuggle. They're ready to sleep. Huddled together, a small happy nap. Head down to the bank, the river, they spiral in a line from the big right down to the small. Good night, snoring Spinosaurus. Immosaurus makes no noise, even a peep. Go slow rocking ride gets him ready for sleep. Grandpa hums softly and
Lullaby.
lullaby tune. And both of them bathe in the glow of the moon. Good night, sweet Alonsos. The dinos are sleeping. The day's work is done. The chores of the snoring last have begun. High up above, the stars twinkle so bright. Good night, dreaming dinos. We all say good night. The end.